Hey everyone, and welcome back to Decode Empires. Today we're diving deep into a topic that could completely reshape our financial future. What if the real war of our time isn't being fought with weapons, but with currencies? It's a question that's echoing in boardrooms and central banks around the globe, and frankly, it's one you need to hear. For decades, the US dollar has reigned supreme, the undisputed king of global finance. But cracks are starting to show in its once unshakable dominance. And guess what's making a stunning comeback? A centuries-old rival, gleaming brightly, is re-entering the ring. From the bustling financial hubs of Beijing to the strategic vaults in Moscow and Ankara, central banks are hoarding gold like never before. Something monumental is shifting in the world's financial order, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why. This is Rise of Gold, the dollar's looming threat. For nearly 50 years, the petrodollar system has cemented the US dollar's place as the king of global trade. Oil bought, sold, and priced in dollars. It was a powerful, symbiotic relationship. But today, that crown isn't just slipping, it's being openly challenged. We're witnessing a major geopolitical realignment, and it's directly impacting currency dynamics. Nations across the globe, particularly the BRICS countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are openly challenging this dollar dependence. They're exploring and actively engaging in alternative trade mechanisms. We're seeing oil being traded in yuan, in rupees, and yes, even gold. This isn't just about diversification, it's about a strategic move away from a single dominant currency, a move that directly impacts the dollar's global standing. And let's talk about the elephant in the room, the US national debt. It's not just a big number anymore. It's an astronomical figure, now exploding past an astonishing $36 trillion and climbing. When you combine this level of debt with ongoing inflation and geopolitical tensions, the question isn't if confidence in fiat currencies will break, but when. The trust that underpins any currency is fragile, and prolonged economic strain can erode it surprisingly quickly. This erosion of trust is a significant driver behind the global scramble for gold. After decades of relying heavily on what many call paper money and intricate debt-driven systems, the world is quietly, yet unequivocally, returning to hard assets. This isn't some fringe theory. It's a tangible, verifiable trend. Central banks, the ultimate custodians of national wealth, have bought more gold in the past 2 years than at any time since the 1960s. Think about that for a second. Not since the post-World War II economic boom have we seen such a concerted effort to accumulate physical gold. So, why this sudden, dramatic pivot? The reasons are multifaceted and deeply rooted in current global realities. First, inflation. Persistent, widespread inflation is eating away at purchasing power, making traditional currency holdings less attractive. Nations are looking for a reliable store of value that is not subject to the same inflationary pressures. Second, geopolitical uncertainty. From conflicts to trade wars, the global landscape is increasingly unpredictable. Gold acts as a safe haven, a universal currency that transcends national borders and political disputes. Third, and perhaps most critically, there's a growing erosion of trust in fiat currencies. When governments can print money at will, and when economic stability feels increasingly precarious, nations and investors alike seek something more enduring. The message from these central banks is crystal clear, and it's a powerful one. If paper burns, gold survives. It's a hedge against instability, a tangible anchor in an increasingly volatile world. Now let's talk about gold itself. It's not just a shiny metal that catches the eye. It's a historical constant, an enduring symbol of value. Throughout history, when empires have collapsed, when currencies have vanished into thin air, when markets have crashed and burned, gold has consistently held its ground. It's a testament to its inherent value and its unique properties as a store of wealth. This resilience is why it's making such a strong resurgence today. And it's not just central banks driving this demand. The landscape of gold accumulation is much broader. We're seeing a significant uptick in demand from institutional investors who are looking to diversify their portfolios and protect against economic downturns. Individual investors, both large and small, are also turning to gold as a hedge against inflation and currency depreciation. Even tech companies are playing a surprising role in this demand surge. Gold's unique properties make it indispensable in modern electronics, from semiconductors to satellites, and its role in advanced technology is only expanding. This industrial demand adds another layer of real, tangible utility to gold's resurgence, giving it more than just investment value. If this trend continues, the global balance of power could shift dramatically. We're talking about changes that could ripple through every aspect of international relations. Trade routes could be reimagined, with more direct commodity exchanges bypassing traditional dollar-denominated systems. Investment strategies would need to adapt to a world where gold carries significant weight, potentially leading to new financial instruments and markets. Even international alliances could be reshaped, as nations with strong gold reserves gain greater economic leverage and stability. This golden revival isn't just about economics, it's about geopolitics and the very structure of our global society. For us, the ordinary investors, this raises a genuinely tough and important question. Is your portfolio ready for a world where gold matters again, not just as a fringe asset, but as a core component of global finance? Ignoring this shift could leave you unprepared for the next big economic wave. Many experts are saying we're entering a new financial frontier. In this new era, gold and the dollar may very well coexist, but perhaps not as equals. The hierarchy could be fundamentally altered. The next decade has the potential to redefine what money truly means, challenging our conventional understandings and forcing us to adapt. Will gold reclaim its historical throne as the ultimate measure of wealth? Or will the dollar find a way to reinvent itself and maintain its relevance before it is too late? One thing is absolutely certain. The race for real value, for stable and enduring assets, has already begun. The pieces are moving, the players are making their moves, and the outcome will profoundly impact all of us. We are truly living through an extraordinary time, a period of immense change and opportunity. Understanding these underlying shifts is crucial for navigating what lies ahead. If you found this insight valuable, and you're ready to stay ahead of these monumental financial shifts, please hit that subscribe button. Join the Decode Empires community, where we tirelessly work to break down the hidden forces shaping our world's next big shifts. Because understanding money's past might just be the most powerful tool you have to protect your financial future. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.